In this video, we will be focusing on two digital business challenges. In part 1, we will be covering the digital company Intel, and in part 2, the supermarket Tesco.
Intel Corporation is an American technology company working in the design, manufacture, and sale of computer products and technology, mainly known for their chips. They are the world's second largest and highest valued semiconductor chip manufacturer. Additionally, they are the inventor of x86 series of microprocessors, which is the most commonly used microprocessor in the PC. Since our choice of innovative product concerns genomics, we are going to briefly introduce the genomics.
Genomics is an interdisciplinary field of biology focusing on the structure, function, evolution, mapping, and editing of genomes. A genome is an organism's complete set of DNA, including all of its genes. It has been identified as one of the largest generators of data over the next 10 and more years. The demand for technology in the genomic space is growing almost as fast as the data. It took 13 years and $3 billion to sequence the first genome. The broad Intel genomic stack is an end-to-end optimized hardware and software solution for analyzing genomics data. It provides a way to run prepackaged, optimized workflows.
The use of GATK is to enable scientists to timely and efficiently analyze massive human genome data to understand diseases and feasible treatment methods. Intel Xeon Platinum processor, which is used in the GATK, uses data analytics, AI, and cloud technology to optimize the performance of the solution. The chip provides real-time response by enhancing virtualization and reducing latency, and can provide efficient and reliable data read, write, and storage capabilities for cloud servers. Genomics DB is a unique variant store capable of supporting up to hundreds of thousands of genome variant data. The data analytics technology enables Genomics DB to generate databases quicker. The target market of this product is mainly gene sequences companies such as Illumina, Thermo Fisher Scientific, BGI Genomics, and QIAGEN, a company which Intel also partnered for high-volume genome analysis. We also conducted a news search to visualize Intel's top 20 competitors. Among the most mentioned data centers in the stores we found are Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Gartner, and IoT chains.
Some of the product competitors to Intel's GATK are SumTools, Freebase, and Platypus. According to the studies done on next-generation sequencing technology, these geometric tools have different strengths functionalities. These tools are variant calling pipelines of single nucleotide polymorphisms. They are also commonly used for small insertions or deletions from a short sequence database against a genome reference. However, these tools are not as fast as GATK and cannot easily adapt to the different variations in input data type. Therefore, GATK has proven to be unique among its competitors. Firstly, it is a well-maintained software due to the resources available from the large institute of MIT and Harvard. Secondly, the user community and developers are very active on this platform. According to Intel Select Solutions, Browse GATK is now able to generate a database containing 5 times more information in only 2 weeks rather than 6 weeks. With the latest reference architecture based on a combination of Intel hardware, it takes approximately 10.8 hours to process a whole gene sequence. Comparing this with the 36 hours in 2016, we can see a 3.3 times speedup on the latest available Intel reference hardware. The solution demonstrated a 5 times overall performance improvement running GATK 4.0 compared to previous versions of the genomics software, and they reduced setup time for developing an infrastructure to accelerate genomics workflow. Performance gains include a 75% speedup for the BWA using Intel solid-state drives. Here are the improvements. It has lower price, which is $5.68 per whole genome analyzed. It increased statistical power and open-source software with no lessening costs. This way, researchers will be able to analyze genomes faster at a lower cost, enabling new discoveries and new treatment options and faster diagnosis of a disease.
Tesco is a British multinational groceries and general merchandise retailer. It's the third largest retailer in the world when measured by profit. In 2019, the company has 6,800 jobs and 450,000 employees. From 2017 to 2018, their operating profit increased by 34%. Tesco relies on a 5-pillar digital strategy. Firstly, Tesco plans on digitalizing its stores by using AI and IoT for better customer service, reduction of food traffic, maintaining freshness, monitoring stock, and getting shopper insight. It also aims to respond more efficiently to these last 2 points via analytics and clustering to predict sales. This involves the creation of over 100 million data points. Sharing data on the cloud also makes it more accessible to the stakeholders. This increases the productivity and timeliness of the delivery process to customers. Tesco differentiates itself from the other UK supermarkets by collaborating with Google Home and Alexa for customers to pre-order goods. This is another way to learn how to respond to customers more efficiently. Advanced analytics and machine learning are involved for long-term results. An example of Tesco's investments in AI and IoT is the in-store video camera, which detects when the fruit and vegetable trays in the food aisle are depleted. On the cloud, it sends instant messages to the employees for refilling. As Tesco's strategy driver is to be a differentiated brand, this also allows more customer interface. It also helps Tesco to implement its plan to reduce operating costs by £1.5 billion at the end of year of 2020. By connecting a Google Home or Amazon Alexa smart speaker, the If This Then That platform uses IoT tech to allow customers to add items directly to the Tesco app basket via voice commands. Customers can also design commands such as add salmon to the basket if it falls in price. If the customer has online purchase record, the big data will automatically add the customer's favorite brands to the basket. Although the voice function of IFTTT is still in its early days, we think there is a great potential in this area. Currently, 26% of UK shoppers already describe themselves as regular shoppers of groceries online. From 2018 to 2019, the global installation rate of smart speakers increased 82.4% to 207 million units. Deloitte estimates that by 2023, the global market for voice assistants is expected to grow from $2.5 billion in 2018 to $8 billion. Tesco has also been investing in advanced analytics and machine learning through its own R&D data center called Tesco Labs. It has currently 50 employees whose salaries in total add up to £3.4 million per year for new software developments. We conducted a company quit search to check the nature of investments of Tesco in startups and tech companies. From what we can see in the bar chart, Tesco's investments in these companies are advanced analytics. For example, Tesco was involved in a 600 million analytics funding round for PT Eckert web portal Indonesia.
Tesco future plans. Tesco has been testing two technologies, which are Takeoff and Starship. Takeoff. Customers place an order with the store using an app, which is powered by a highly advanced assortment system, helping customers find and select products easily. The store fulfills the order using the micro-fulfillment solution. With manual picking, an order can take up to an hour to fill, while robots pick the customer's order within minutes. The order is ready to pick up or delivery same day, a convenient and affordable e-grocery solution for shoppers. The second one is Starship Technologies. Tesco has completed a one-off trial using a robot to deliver groceries to a customer's home in London. The Starship robot can carry the equivalent of 2 grocery bags and completing local deliveries within 5 and 30 minutes from the retail outlet. The company claims it costs 10 to 15 times less than current last-mile delivery alternatives. The robots drive autonomously 99% of the time and provide an environmentally friendly option for the last-mile fulfillment challenge faced by retailers. Our recommendation for Tesco is to follow the example of Amazon Go stores. Shoppers at Amazon Go stores can pick items off the shelves and leave without having to wait in line to pay. Amazon uses a mobile app, cameras, sensors, computer vision, and deep learning to track what customers take and then charges them accordingly. Amazon said it is using a combination of artificial intelligence, computer vision, and data pulled from multiple sensors to ensure customers are only charged for the stuff they pick up. The computer vision aspect seems to indicate that there are cameras being used to track you in store. The sensors detect when a person takes something off the shelves and adds it to the virtual cart. Currently, there are 12 stores, but Amazon plans to open 3,000 by 2021. According to new estimates from RBC Capital Market Analysts, Amazon's cashier-less concept brings in about 50% more revenue on average than typical convenience store. The average Amazon Go store generates an estimated $1.5 million in revenue a year, excluding days when current locations are closed. This would be an interesting way of combating theft in Tesco stores, which is causing them to lose approximately £8 million per year. According to the New York Times, shoplifting is not easy in Amazon Go stores, Moreover, Tesco must keep up with competition in order not to be left behind, as Amazon Go is using and testing different artificial intelligence solutions. However, implementing this is not easy. Morgan Stanley estimates that it would cost as much as $3 billion to open the projected 3,000 Amazon Go stores.